In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see views on Substack. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, understanding your audience's interaction with your posts is crucial. It not only provides motivation when you see your readers engage with your content but also gives you insights into which topics might resonate more with them. First, make sure you're logged into your Substack account. This is your starting point to access all the creative and analytical tools Substack offers. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate straight to your Substack dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your control panel for everything related to your published content on the platform. It's here that you can manage your posts, view analytics, and customize various aspects of your blog or newsletter. Next, take a look at the top of the page and locate the Posts tab. Clicking on this tab will bring up a list of all the content you've published. Imagine it as a directory of your creative work, which makes it incredibly easy to find any piece of content you've written. And importantly, this is where you can access the individual statistics for each post. With your posts in view, go ahead and click on the post for which you want to check the views. Each of these posts offers various details when you click on them. These details include editing options, publish dates, and, of course, your post's performance metrics, which is the focus of our video today. Once you've selected your post, you'll need to find the Overview tab. The Overview tab is your gateway to all the important statistics about that specific post. Here, you'll find various data points, but our main focus today is on the total views. This view count gives you a direct metric of how many times your post has been viewed by readers. It's an invaluable metric for assessing both the popularity and reach of your content. This straightforward process will help you keep track of what's catching your audience's attention. Regularly checking these numbers can guide you in tailoring future content to better suit your audience's preferences. Remember, views are a helpful indicator, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Consider other analytics like engagement rates and reader feedback for a comprehensive understanding of your audience's interests. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to monitor your views on Substack, providing you with the feedback necessary to grow and refine your content offerings. So go ahead, dive into your Substack statistics, and explore what makes your content shine to your readers.